DigiGirlz is Microsoft UK's opportunity to inspire young girls to really consider a career in technology. It's our chance to bring them in, show them some really interesting role models that they can aspire to, and then give them some hands-on projects so they can learn about ways of applying technology to real-world problems.
We've done our own research at Microsoft, which really shows us clearly that girls around 12, 13 years old tend to opt in to technology. And then at about 15, 16, they tend to opt out. And so we're trying to get to girls before they've made that decision that technology is not for them.
Well, it's not all about just coding and maths and science. Like, you do a lot of fun things behind it. Like you can test out your games and do a lot of fun things.
When I first got the letter, I sort of doubted going, but now I'm here. It's definitely different to what I imagined.
They can see that there is a role, that there are opportunities, and seeing that Cindy Rose today standing up there, obviously saying, well, actually it is possible. I'm here, and by the way, I got here because I started out like you. You know, that's one of the key takeaways.
Diversity in IT is so important. It makes a huge difference to have a team of people working together, bringing a diverse perspective, and that's diverse in all sorts of different ways, but women being one of them. Having a team, mixture of gender, brings different insights, different thoughts, different levels of energy, and it makes a huge difference to how a team functions.
You don't just have to go down one route here, and there's lots of different jobs and different career paths that you can take, so it's not all just computing and coding.
I would describe DigiGirlz in 2 words: inspirational and educational.
We want to show them that actually this is a really creative, fun, fulfilling career where you can make an incredible difference. And I really feel like every time we do this, we inspire a few girls to make a different choice.